So, ayun. Hi, guys! Good day sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Medyo na-miss ko ang pag-vlog. Ayun. And, ngayon, sa vlog ko, gusto ko lang gawa ng review itong hair dryer na to. Ito siyang hairbrush dryer. Sobrang trending to sa Facebook. Palagi ko siyang nakikita sa Facebook. Yung mga ads, for sure, girls, kayo dyan, nakikita nyo rin to sa Facebook. So, kung gusto nyo mag-order, order na kayo because it's, worth it. I bought this for 35 euros and I waited for 2 weeks. 2 weeks siya before siya dumating and eto na nga siya. And sobrang happy ako, sobrang bilis kong mag-dry ng buhok and at the same time, brush na rin siya. So, dun sa mga girls na gusto ng extra volume sa kanilang hair, eto na ang sagot sa inyong problem. Kasi ako, manipis din yung buhok ko, so palaging gusto ko medyo may volume yung buhok ko, ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda kaya. At saka naman, syempre, dun naman sa mga makakapal ang buhok, for those who have thick hairs and having trouble drying their hairs, this will be the answer. The airbrush hair dryer. And I saw this on Facebook. Doon sa yung ads lang sa Facebook, I saw it there. And ayun nga, so hindi na ako nag-alinlangan, talagang in-order ko siya. Kasi ang ganda talaga niyang pang volume ng hair, pang brush. At the same time, di na kayo magda-dry. Di ba? Ang dami pagka may dryer kasi because if you're using just the hair dryer and then you have to use the brush also. This is 2-in-1. You have this all na. Kaya order na kayo mga girls. I can recommend this, highly recommend. It works very good and it's a big brush and it's little big for me to hold, but it's no problem because I also have a big hand. So, ayun! And Ayun girls, and thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this product. This is a very good product. Order na kayo guys. Makikita nyo lang to sa Facebook. For sure, marami na kayong nakikitang mga ads sa Facebook. Kaya order na kayo. Medyo matagal lang yung paghintay pero worth it naman. And magiging happy kayo. And it can make your life easier girls. Yung blow dry nyo ng hair ng 15 minutes, magiging 10 minutes, 5 minutes na lang yan. It depends how thick your hair is. Okay? And thank you for watching. I hope this review will be helpful for you. And if you like my video, please like and put comment down below. And please share na rin and subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Thank you for watching. Bye!